Hi kids! Do you know what this big noisy truck is? That's right. It's a garbage truck. Garbage trucks are super important because they help keep our neighborhoods clean. Let's learn all about how they work and why they're so cool. Ready? Let's go. What is garbage? Garbage is all the stuff we throw away, like old food, paper, and broken toys. The garbage truck helps take all of this yucky stuff away from our homes. How often do garbage trucks come? Garbage trucks usually come once or twice a week to pick up our trash. They come on a big schedule, so they never miss a stop. What happens to garbage? After the garbage truck picks up the trash, it takes it to a place called a landfill. A landfill is like a big hole in the ground where the trash is buried. Garbage trucks are strong. Garbage trucks are super strong. They can lift heavy trash cans and crush the garbage to make more space. It's like a big, powerful compactor. Recycling trucks. Some trucks are special recycling trucks. They pick up things like bottles, cans, and paper that can be turned into new things. Recycling helps keep our planet happy and healthy. Garbage truck helpers. The people who drive the garbage trucks are called sanitation workers. They work very hard to keep our towns and cities clean. Let's give them a big thank you.
Wake up in the morning, hear the truck outside, big and green and rolling, it's the garbage ride. Beep, 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 it backs up with a crunch, lifting bins so easy. It's got that mighty munch, garbage truck, oh garbage truck, coming down the street, picking up the trash cans, keeping it all neat. Round the block it rumbles, taking all the sacks, crush the trash together, no time to relax. Hear the engine roar, see the flashing light. Garbage truck is leaving, all the streets are bright. Thank you, mighty truck, for taking trash away. Ready for another round. It's a brand new day.
Wow, now we know so much about garbage trucks. Next time you see one, you can remember how important they are. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more fun videos.